ShortAlgo here, and today is December 23rd, 2020. We're going to be reviewing how to use the stock scanner or screener some would use directly within the ShortAlgo website. So when you go to the ShortAlgo website, you're going to navigate to the tab titled Scanner, and from there you're going to scroll down and you'll see that this table is displayed with all this information. Now, what you're looking at here is the data when it says change. That's actually the change on a day-over-day basis. It doesn't show the data from a pre-market or post-market standpoint, so the change there. So if you are trading in the pre-market time, we're going to show you how to adjust the data that's being presented. And also you can adjust some of these columns that are listed. This rating is delivered by the analyst directly in the investment banks, and it's not necessarily the rating of the buy or the short signals delivered by ShortAlgo. So again, there's a lot of data here that we might not require. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the columns, and we're going to remove any columns that just don't make any sense for us, right? So the first one we're going to be removing is the we could move the number of employees, price to earnings ratio. Ratio is not really relevant to us at this point, but you could leave it in if you'd like. Sector if you'd like it, but right now we're going to remove it. And we want to get a better sense of what's moving in the pre-market. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the pre-market data. And here you can see the post-market change as a percentage. And then you can also put in the pre-market change as a percentage. So obviously post-market change, it doesn't apply right now because the market's closed on the post-market session, so it's blank. So we'll be removing that. And from there, I think we have all the data that we need. EPS, again, depends on what kind of data you want available. For us, we don't specifically like it in the columns, but we do reference some of the data externally. So we'll remove that as well. And if there's any other columns that we might want. Also nice to have the float that's available. Great. So now that we have the column set up, we're looking at the chart for top gainers. That's when you're looking for stock that has run a little high and it could potentially pull back. If we adjust this by top movers, we can see that the biggest movers this morning are SUPN, CLNE, NGNI. But if you're looking at other metrics, like for example, considering buying, you would look at the top losers, and you can actually find that just by clicking on the top right. You'll see gainers here, top losers. There's also a couple of other different setups that you could potentially explore, but we're primarily looking at the top gainers. And then it's just a matter of finding whichever stock you'd like to trade for the day, and then opening up directly inside of the charts function inside of TradingView. So again, just navigating over to TradingView, and then selecting the charts function. And then from there, you can actually you'll have the ability to adjust your signals for the buy and the shorts, depending on the time range and the time and the range of volatility as well. So if you have any questions, always the support desk is always available, and you can find that directly within the supports tab. Thank you very much.